guys, Jacko's just hooked up. Sweet ass. Good one, Jacko. Sweet ass. Oh, yeah. Sweet.
Oh, he's out there.
Oh, yeah. I'll go grab him. Here's a rainbow. Just... Whoa, the current is very strong. It's a good fish, actually. It's a nice one. Bring it over here. Ew. Hey guys, Nixon's just hooked onto a fish. Let's bring it in. Yeah.
Let's hear that line for 2 seconds.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, look at that bend in there.
Holy. Damn.
Oh, he's just coming in slowly.
Yeah.
Must be a decent one. That was a whole fin.
Yeah, it was fighting. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's nice.
He's a good
Is it,
fish.
I think is that salmon?
No, it's a rainbow.
Okay, let's bring him.
Oh, I think that's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is a nice fish.
Could be another big one.
Yeah,
Look at that.
that's crazy.
Oh boy, come in.
Bring in.
Oh.
Oh, he's fighting. He's coming in. Oh, damn. That's crazy. See it next time he pulls it. Jeepers. He's massive.
I don't know.
Wait, when he jumped, it was massive.
He's definitely fighting. He has to just...
I reckon it's like 5 pounds.
No,
4 pounds. 4 or 3.
We'll soon see.
Yeah. Oh, here he is. Coming in.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He's a good fighter. Oh, there he is. I
Well,
think it's a good fish.
yeah, oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, oh, he's come over here. Oh, he's right there. Oh yeah. He's nice.
I'll bring him in.
Look at that.
Closer.
Like,
Here, you.
bring him in. We've got, oh, is it the same fish?
No.
It looks like the same fish. I'm not even kidding. Damn. Hey guys, he's in shore now. I'm just gonna net him. Oh, he's way bigger.
Good fish.
You?
So, hey guys, I just put this beautiful rainbow. Comment down below how big you reckon it is. And yeah, let's release him. Oh, shoot. That's not good.
Oh.
Let's hope he swims away.
Oh, there we go. Yes. Yeah, hey guys, third fish of the day. Main line. I think it's another rainbow. Oh, this one might be a brown. There it is. It's a rainbow. Another bloody good one. It's the same one, I reckon. Bring him over here. Guys, Nixon's on a second cast down here at the river. Just a nice rainbow, so let's net him. Oops. Jeepers. She's a fighter. Where is she? Or he? You! Just net him like this way. Oh. It's a feisty wee rainbow. I'll let Nixon deal with him and I'll go try up. Yo! Yes, double hookup. Yo! Hell yeah! heck? Second fish of the night for me. Oh, and first for the night for Jed. That's still chill. Double hookup. I've never done a double hookup. Yeah, hey guys, we're gonna wrap the video up. We got those 2 fish in on the double hookup. Comment down below if you've ever double hooked up on a trout, and yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.